Part of with CTEs and what we tried to accomplish in a number of our facilities is putting the learning on display, because a student that might be doing a CAD class has an opportunity to see what's going on in the shop space and sees that facility being built, be it a carpentry lab or an HVAC lab. So something they might be working on drawing, they get an opportunity to look through and see, oh, this is what it's actually going to look like in 3 dimensions.
I think the industrial design, when people walk into a building and when you walk into a home, you never look up, right? No one ever sees anything that's on the ceiling. But when you walk through our building, the students were amazed because you could see all the wiring, you could see the HVAC, you could see the networking.
Incorporating the building systems into the design to be utilized as part of the learning process really starts early on, and it comes with close collaboration and working with our mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineers so that they understand what we're trying to achieve. I think it kind of ups their game, because they want to provide pieces that are going to look neat, and things that might typically be behind a wall or above a ceiling are now going to be exposed and brought to the forefront. So it really creates the building as a teaching tool and allows students that are working in the HVAC lab to walk out and see, wow, this is what it looks like when it's all completed. So all those pieces working together gives us the opportunity to make the building more than just kind of an envelope, but it really becomes part of the teaching process.
The whole site really is a teaching site. What first comes to mind is our green roof. To watch the horticulture students go upstairs with the culinary students is fantastic. And then that afternoon to be in the banquet room for an event where the culinary class has come out to tell everything that they've prepared, and that the greens are ones that they've grown themselves with the horticulture students.
You oftentimes want to cross-pollinate, where you'll have, say, a nursing lab and maybe biomed, those sorts of things, so you kind of get that cross-pollination.
And what is really unique is the way shops connect, because a lot of times I'll catch instructors in the hallways between the shops talking about what they're going to see, how they're going to do this, almost like a locker room, and then boom, they go out into the shop and do it. And that changes instruction, that impacts instruction, which in the end impacts our students and makes them more successful.
Student health and wellness is important, and something that you're seeing more research done on. Obviously, the impacts of natural light, I think, are well known, and the positive impacts that has on student grades. But we're seeing more and more research done, biophilic design, and the connection with nature and the impacts that has on student performance.
The impact of natural light is key. I've gone in many of the classrooms where they don't even have the lights on during the day because there's so much light, like in this shop. Really, the whole site is a teaching site, inside and out, and that was what we wanted, because learning can take place many, many places.